You're welcome and welcome back to my channel once again. Let's make simple but yet amazing jollof rice for the Sunday. So here is my protein. I just finished cooking it and I want to do what? I want to fry it, like just soft fry it so that it will not be too strong, because I myself, I don't like strong meat. And here we go. I am putting in my vegetable oil to see so that it will be able to heat on fire. And here we go. I am about to do what? To fry the meat. Yeah. So let's fry it and see how it's going to. So at this point, I was putting the protein inside the vegetable oil so that I'll be able to fry it a bit. Remember, I said I don't like anything that has to do with dried strong meat, right? So I am trying to just make it dry a bit so that I will remove it, right? So here comes my spices, my pretty nice spices: jima, tiger curry, and tiger thyme, right? Plus my knorr and other small ingredients, right? I don't like to be dramatic in my spices, right? So here we go. Our protein is almost ready. When I mean it's almost, it is almost ready, guys. Here it is. So at this point, I now reduce the oil and put my onions and start frying, okay, because I want to use the same pot to cook that rice, right? So I want to make things easier for me. And here is my curry powder. Yeah, I added it because the flavor this gives me, yeah, it is so amazing. So I like to add it this way. So you are free to do your own thing at your own pace, okay? And I've added my tomato mix, pepper, and shombo. I've added every here, right? And I am just frying it. Here is my dried washed fish, right? And here is my tomato. I am frying it just to make sure it is okay, right? And here comes my spices. Here comes my salt. And I am trying to mix everything to everything to be okay, right? And guys, this is it. I have poured in that particular dry fish. I don't pour them inside though. And this is our rice. Don't enter for fire like this. So, and finally, guys, this rice, the aroma in this kitchen, I wish you guys are here. And the stock, I've poured in the stock and miss, and cover to cook. At this point, I open it to check and it's still a bit strong. I don't know why. I don't like strong food. I don't know why, because my teeth, I have some kind of teeth. I know if you chop strong food. And now our rice is ready. I mean, this is fully ready, right? Come and eat. Come and join me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is delicious. Very delicious.